let's be practical. Today I am doing the practical of chemistry. The experiment name is molarity. The object is to prepare 100 ml/250 ml solution of oxalic acid or sodium carbonate of 0.5 molarity. Apparatus that we use are measuring flask, filter paper, funnel, beaker, glass rod, pipette, physical balance, and the last one is weight box. The chemicals that we use are oxalic acid or sodium carbonate, and the last is distilled water. The concentration are the amount of solute present in a definite volume of solution is called concentration of a solution. The most important definition of molarity is it is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter or per cubic decimeter of solution. It is denoted by M. The formula of molarity is molarity equals to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. The formula of mole is mass of substance in gram divided by gram molecular mass of substance. Now this is the formula of molarity. Mass of solute in gm, gram molecular mass multiplied by volume of solution in decimeter cube. The formula of mass of substance equals to molarity multiplied by gram mole mass multiplied by volume in decimeter cube. The next formula of mass of substance is molarity multiplied by gram mole curie mass multiplied by volume in centimeter cube divided by 1000. I calculate for 0.5 molarity solution of oxalic acid. The molecular formula of oxalic acid is C00H COOH, then COOH.2H2O. The C was carbon. Carbon atomic mass is 12. So like you see that C carbon are 2. So we multiply by 2F multiply by 2 plus 16. 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. So like you see that 4 oxygen are there. So we multiply by 16 with 4, and the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 hydrogen plus 2, the atomic mass of water formula is 18. So the answer of 12 multiplied by 2 is 24 plus 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 plus 2 multiplied by 18 is 36. The answer. Now we add all numbers and the answer become 126 gram. Mass of oxalic acid for 100 ml. Now I am solving with the help of formula. Mass of substance equals to molarity multiplied by gram molecular mass multiplied by volume in centimeter cube divided by 1000. Now the value of molarity is 0.5 m and the value of gram molecular mass is 126 g per gram. And the last is volume. Volume value is 1000 ml. Now we are dividing the volume of liquid is 100 ml. Now we divide whole value with 1000. 0.5 multiplied by 126 multiplied by 100 divided by 1000. The answer becomes 6.3 grams. Now I am sharing apparatus with you. This is a physical balance and this is a weight box and this is distilled water and this is a funnel, filter paper and oxalic acid, measuring flask, beaker, dropper, spatula, stirrer. Now I am putting a filter paper on the left hand side and now I show some fractional weight. Now I put on pan for this is 4 fraction weight. Now I am open a knob to balance till 10. Now you see the key scale, the needle comes till 10. Mass of oxalic acid is 6.3. I have a weight of 5, 1 and 3. Now I am putting the 6.3 gram on pan. 5, 1, 6 and 3 gram. Now I am putting oxalic acid on a filter paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am checking the balance of both pan. Now I am open a knob slowly. Now I am adding some oxalic acid to balance the both pan. Now we check. So now we need more oxalic acid to balance. Now we see that the needle comes on 10. It means the both pan are equal. Now I am adding this oxalic acid in a beaker and add